This weekend starts at the parts store as usual.
I have started buying my parts locally because Amazon and UPS guys, they tend to jump on my parts before delivering. So half of the stuff I get is junked before I get it.
It's precision. As it happened, the CV shaft bellow split on the trail yesterday. It's spitting out some sauce.
I know what to do now.
First we get this big mama jamma open. 39 millimeters and it's tight. And here is stored. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna move on the inside and remove the inner bolts. Maybe a little tap here. Yep. Gonna just crack these bolts open. Guess now it's time to lift it up. Now it is. 15 millimeter bolts at the flange. Now the axle shaft should come out. Theoretically, I am missing a trick. And I may need to take off the sway bar end link to make room. Okay, everything fell off. There's no space whatsoever. Do I have to take off the lower bolt joint? I wouldn't want to do that today. Oh, come on. I need to take off this shock. Take the shock mount bolt off, at least if I don't need, if I can get away with this without removing the shock. It is totally possible that the shock will have to come out. Special tool for axle removal. This CV truck will compress, but it needs a bit persuasion, I think. Still not enough room. I do need to remove that shock.
CV shaft. This pile just keeps on giving.
Okay, I need to turn the wheels back. Just need some persuasion and it will come right out. There. wipe the sauce out. It's just rust inhibitor. I'll be fine. Right, here's my new shaft, which will probably last for a couple of months. It's a lifetime warranty. It is cheap garbage, but this is a part-time four-wheel drive, so it's not going to be used a lot. It just turns all the time when driving. So I take this nut and washer out. Huh. Oh yeah, it is flattened as it's supposed to be. Alright, let me put on a new pair of gloves. Yep. I don't understand how come I have so little space here. Whew. Oh, because of course I did it in the other order. I think I need to go from the top, and that is hard because the wheel is there. Okay, now I know. I think I know. I need to take this shaft loose again.
What do you pick?
Uh-huh.
Why is there so much dirt on the truck? Oh yeah.
It's Dirt Garage. There's a FedEx there. Now I should have enough space, and I do. Difficult position. It goes this way. I need to get it into the bolt holes. Whew. Okay, there it is. Wow. Son of a gun, that was difficult to do alone. Easier to do this lower bolts when the upper bolts are not yet tightened. I'm missing one 14mm bolt. Where did I put it?
Why is there stuff leaking?
Where is it leaking? It's because I was changing some hoses there, so it leaked while I was working. But do you see a 14mm bolt, like finger long, anywhere?
This?
Yeah. Thank. Ooh. There's a lot of rust inhibition there now. Okay, now the shaft can go back on. There.
There's so many new parts on our truck. Like all the parts are always just broken.
Yeah?
Yeah. That we always have to get new parts.
Well, it's an old pile.
Well, these brakes, we can sell it if we wanted to and get some money out of it, because sometimes people want to make homemade cars and they don't have brakes.
You know, wanna guess
Yeah.
how likely it is that this CV shaft boots will leak right out of the box?
Do you think our Corvette is worth much more than this truck?
Oh,
I mean, it's smaller.
yeah, but it's in a much better shape. Alright.
You need this.
I can't see what this is. I'm gonna tighten the
The
lower
red.
bolt.
It's like
This
huge
is not-
bolt, like
Can you give me a 14 millimeter socket? Oh, wow. Almost got stuck. This doesn't need to be torqued with a torque wrench. As long as it's tight enough. Torquing it to the spec. Click, click, click. Click. I need to lift it up and turn the wheel. That's 6. Of course, not everything underneath is done. I still need to do the. Still need to put on that
breaking off that.
thing here. Don't go away.
This plastic is so plastic.
Do it right the third time. Blah. Now the truck is so low that it's hard to reach, hard to fit.
Our light or is cracked. Here.
One more washer, one more nut. And let's not put it upside down. Behind the camera.
This. Here.
Tight enough. Okay, now everything underneath is done. Yeah, we would have broken it on another drive, but this big mama jamma goes to 240 pound-feet, and that is a lot. You know, I'm not even heavy enough to tighten it with 1 foot tool, so I need something. You are not heavy enough, even with me. Alright, the good news is it's not 140 pound-feet, but it is 240 Newton meters, which is 177 pound-feet, and it's still more than the biggest torque wrench that I have, but at least I'm heavy enough to do that. So this is roughly. So I have this ancient thing here.
What's it called?
This is an old torque wrench that I made a little modification,
I saw you use that in.
and it allows me to go beyond the range. I'm not so sure about the accuracy of 177 pound-feet anyway, so this just needs to be extremely tight. So I have this little extension here, and I'm going to tighten this as pretty much as tight as it goes with my weight. And easier without this wheel. Just needs to go as tight as I can get it going. I really can't get it any tighter, so it's tight enough. Alright. All the bolts are tightened. Kind of tightened. That's all for this week's Do It Right the Third Time Garage, or Avalanche Garage. See you next time.
Our dirt garage.